Welcome back to edquest. In this video, let's explore the most commonly used types of linear regression in machine learning. These are foundational models used to predict numeric values. There are more types out there, but here are the top 3 you should definitely know. First type is simple linear regression. This model predicts one output value using just one input variable. It draws a straight line to represent the relationship between them. Multiple linear regression. In this type, we use 2 or more input variables to predict the output. It helps capture more real-world complexity than simple linear regression. Third is polynomial linear regression. Unlike a straight line, this one fits a curved line through the data. It captures complex nonlinear pattern more effectively. So that's a quick tour of the 3 most common types of linear regression. Watch the next video to see them in action with real life examples.